What is up, you guys? It's your girl TechWithNath, and today we're back with another video. Woo woo! If you're new here, hey sis or hey bro, over here we got the business tea for free. And today, you guys, I am so freaking excited, y'all, because I literally been getting this comment: TechWithNath, can I sublimate a phone case with an iron? Well, we want to find out today because I really don't know. So I said, let me do this video with you guys together so we can see if this can be done or not, okay? But literally, I have my iron right here, okay, and we're about to get straight into this video, sublimating this phone case, and you already know how we do, okay? So let's get straight into this video, y'all. If you have not subscribed yet and you have a phone case business or thinking about starting a phone case business, I am the girl for you. Okay, you should definitely subscribe to my channel. Over here is literally the phone case business community, and I have all the links down below that can help you start or run a successful phone case business, period. But let me stop yapping, let's get straight into this video, boo. All right, you guys, so I have my iron board right here, and I'm about to lay my Teflon paper on it because we don't want to damage what's on here. I mean, I don't want to damage my fabric right here. And as we get set up, I'm about to, well, let me make sure I'm not like zoom in. I hope this is the good angle. As we get set up, I'm about to put this to the highest one. This is the highest one. Yeah, you could tell how long I haven't ironed. So right now I'm about to put it to 6, which is the highest temperature, and then I'm about to plug this in. So you can see now that it's on, like the light is showing. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the light is on. Oh shoot, put some water on there, steam it out. So while I heat up, I'm about to take y'all over a little closer. All right, so while I heat up, I'm gonna show you guys my phone case. So as you know, I only do, or if you're new here, I only do tempered glass phone cases. This one is broken, so I don't mind using this as a tester case. As you can see, it has like a crack in it. So since it's broken, I'm gonna use this as a tester case. And I already have my picture. This is like a picture from this is like a picture I didn't need it anymore, so I printed out too, and we're about to just reuse that. Now this picture does not measure up to this phone case, but we're just gonna do what it do. If you want like a more in-depth tutorial on how to measure your phone case so that the picture fits perfectly on there, I recommend you check out this video right here, or check out my description box. I also have a sublimation course that you can check out as well. So I'm about to first tape up this picture on there. So as you can see, like the phone case is bigger than the picture, so up here of course won't be sublimated if this sublimates at all. But down here should be sublimated, and here too. So I'm about to put some tape on it and we should be good to go. So I'm about to put some tape on it, literally. Y'all, I honestly do not know if this is going to work, but we're about to see together. And you probably have to put so much pressure on this ish, because when you're using a regular heat press, like, it's easier to use pressure, and the temperature is way higher. So that's what makes it so best. So I wanted to do this video for people who can't afford a heat press, or who don't really want to buy one. So yeah. And now I'm thinking of it, I might remove this ironing board, because when I press down, I don't know, it seemed a little sturdy for now, but if I need to use more pressure, I'm gonna remove it. So I'll put this tape back to the side. Our iron is feeling hot, so I'm literally about to flip this over. Hopefully the iron is heated up all the way. So I'm gonna flip this over. Y'all, I don't know if this is going to work. So this is gonna either be a win or a fail. Comment down below and let me know if you think this will sublimate, and if you're correct, I might give you a prize. Okay. So right now the pressure is on there, the iron is on there. Alright, so I have this iron on there and I'm literally about to like pressure it down. Let's see if this will work. Ooh, I'm like shaking the camera. Let me move this camera a little bit back. Y'all see this smoke? Don't burn down y'all mom house, okay? Or mess up her good ass iron. I'm about to press this down. Don't even ask me how much minutes, how much pressure, girl. I mean, or boy. Just, you gotta do what it gotta do. So it's kind of burning, y'all. So I'm low-key kind of scared. But I'm gonna keep going. I should have put another Teflon paper under the iron too. But it's okay. Ooh, I heard something cracking. Is this smoking up too much for y'all? Let me see. Let me back y'all up a little bit more away from the smoke. So it's probably been like 30 seconds so far. So we'll see what's popping. It's a little burnt, y'all, you see? Oh, it's coming. You see, it's sublimating a little. Okay, I need some more heat though. Let me keep it on there some more. Wait, did the iron turn on? I don't think so. Y'all, don't tell me I broke my iron. Is it on still? I don't think so. Yeah, it's on still. Sorry, y'all. Okay. Let's keep going. I'm gonna leave it on there for a while. Y'all, if this works and you are not subscribed yet, you better subscribe. I'm so serious. So I'd say it's been like a minute so far. So I'm gonna keep it on there. Y'all think if I keep it just like this, or should I like iron it? What do you think? Comment below and let me know. For now, I'm gonna keep it like this, and then I'm gonna iron it some more. This is why I love glass cases so much too, because you can see whether your issue is sublimated or not. What y'all think? We should check it. I can't wait anymore. Let me see. Oh, okay. It just needs a little bit more in that middle. Y'all, I can't believe this. Let me put the camera on me real quick. If you are not subscribed right now, make sure I just put y'all on. You don't have to buy a heat press. You could be using your iron. Not expect this to work at all. Like, I'm gonna be real with y'all. I did not expect this to work. Okay, let's see. And this is not even a fancy iron either. This is like a Walmart $10 iron, okay? So either go to Walmart and get you an iron, or use your iron at home, but don't be messing up your mom iron or your spouse iron. Like, for real, for real. Alright, let me see how it's doing. Yeah, that middle part, I don't know why is it not sublimating, but it's doing good so far. Y'all can see that? I'm gonna try to get this middle part right here and see if that works. If not, it's okay, because I really wasn't expected to sublimate. I would say it's been like 3 minutes so far right now. A little iron ASMR for y'all. I don't know if think that part is gonna sublimate it all, y'all. Oh shoot, all the smoke, sorry. Okay, y'all, I don't think that middle part is going to sublimate. I don't know why, but for now we're just going to leave this as is. Like, it was a good it was a good project to see. It's kind of hot. Let me take the tape off real quick. I feel like that iron got hotter than my heat press. It's probably just me, to be honest, but okay. And this is how the paper look. As you can see, like that middle part is still like black, so it didn't really sublimate. It sublimated, but I don't have the patience. That's probably, if I could have stayed a little longer, I would have had patience. But yeah, so this is how it looks now. You could have pressed it a little longer to see, but yeah. At least it worked a little. So I definitely recommend to do this for like your personal phone cases, but if you're like selling them, I definitely recommend to, you know, buy that heat press. I have some heat press link in my description box below, so if you put it on the case, of course I'm not gonna put this on the case right now, but if you put it on the case, this is how it will look. It look a little messy, but hey, you know, practice make perfect. Maybe the second time it will be better. All right, you guys, I hope that was fun. Like, I literally did not know if it was going to sublimate or not, but it did, like a little bit, so that's good. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. Make sure you check out my description box because it has linked to my phone case business tips ebook, as well as my website where I buy all my blanks, vendor lists, the whole 9. Okay, below, and let me know if you try to sublimate a phone case too with an iron and if it worked or not. Okay. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.